Alright, now here is something very exciting for you guys. Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra has been leaked in its full glory. Sahil has got his hands on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Oh boy, isn't he famous now. He has shared some amazing videos and images on X. This is the retail box. As you can see here, it says 24 months warranty for Africa, but in the rest of the regions we will be getting 1 year warranty. And this is that white version that you're seeing here. It actually looks pretty incredible, as good as the Galaxy S25 Ultra, but with that raised camera island, it actually looks slightly better than the Galaxy S25 Ultra in my opinion. In this image, you can see the Galaxy S26 Ultra is sitting next to the iPhone 17 Pro Max, Vivo X300 and Oppo Find X9 Pro. Let me know which one looks better in terms of design. On this image, you can see the design comparison between the iPhone 17 Pro Max and the Galaxy S26 Ultra. You can notice that difference in the rounded corners between these two phones. And here is your first look at the actual privacy display on the S26 Ultra. When enabled, the phone's screen goes dark when it is viewed from the side angles. And Sahil also confirms that there is no Bluetooth support on the S Pen, just like the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This year also the S Pen doesn't support the Bluetooth. This means there is no air gestures on the S Pen. You will not be able to control your Galaxy S26 Ultra using the S Pen. And you can notice now the S Pen has got more curvature because of the broader curves on the S26 Ultra's design, and this forces you to make sure you insert the S Pen in the right position. In the previous versions of the Galaxy phones, we could insert the S Pen with either side without worrying about it, but now we will have to make sure we check it before inserting. He has also shared the AnTuTu benchmark results here. As you can see, the model is Samsung SM-S948B and the score is 3720219. And the Geekbench results you can see, single core score 3648 and the multi-core score is 10898. And you can also see the wildlife extreme test results right over here, and he has also shared the performance monitoring here. These are some incredible details we now have about the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Samsung seems to be betting on this all new privacy display this time around, and we are also expecting some cool new AI features with enhanced photography, especially during the night or let's say darkly lit conditions. I will keep you guys posted about everything that's happening with Galaxy S26 Ultra. I have already pre-ordered it. The deliveries will start from next month onwards. As soon as I get it, there will be tons of contents about the S26 series, the new features, the battery performance, and a lot more will be covered. So be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and do check out our wallpaper application Volverse. The link is in the description. Thanks a lot for watching, and thanks to Sahil for sharing all these details on X. And let's hope Samsung doesn't take down all these videos. That's about it. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.